Good morning, welcome back to vlogmas. Today is a Thursday. I woke up a little while ago and right now I'm going to film my everyday makeup routine video. I wanted to include that somewhere in vlogmas, so I'm just gonna get it filmed today since I need to do my makeup anyway. Here's the setup. I'm just gonna use my tree and fireplace on the TV as like a background, so I have all my makeup over there. So that's what I'm about to do now, and then I think later I might stop by the mall. I'm done with my Christmas shopping except for like little stocking stuffer gifts for my parents. So I might stop at Sephora today and get a few little things for my mom, but I'm not gonna be able to show you them just in case she watches this video. And yeah, we'll see where the day takes us. So I'm gonna do my makeup and film this video. So the next time you see me, I will be looking much better. Just finished filming. I'm in the mood for a smoothie right now, so I'm gonna make that for lunch. This banana is not ripe yet, but we're gonna make it work. Okay guys, so in the car now, like I said, I want to stop at the mall. Different mall than the American Dream one that I showed you guys last time. That one's like a whole experience and it's not really practical for when you just need to like run in and get stuff. So we're just gonna go to my normal mall, but I'm gonna stop at Sephora, get a few little things, and then also I might splurge and get myself something nice because I have been wanting to invest in a pair of sunglasses for a really long time now. I always just buy cheap, like really cheap sunglasses, which there's nothing wrong with, but I feel like I just want to get like a nice designer, high quality pair of sunglasses that are just black and basic and like good for everyday use. So there's these ones from YSL that I've been eyeing on their website for a really long time. If they have them, I'm gonna try them on. I don't even know if I'll like them like on my own face and everything, so we're gonna see. But I might be walking away with a nice pair of sunglasses today. We'll see. I am back from the mall. Hi, Kitty. Say hi. So I did end up getting the sunglasses. Very happy with my purchase. Let's do a little unboxing. The style I got is just super simple and classic. I can't justify spending money on like designer items that are just a trend that are gonna like go out of style or stuff that I'm not gonna get a lot of use out of. So if I ever do spend money on designer items, which is rare, it's always like something classic that I wear a ton. Here's the really nice case that it comes with. Here they are. Ta-da! They're just black, kind of square, a little bit cat eye shape, and the sides just say Saint Laurent on them. Here is what they look like. They're super chic and simple, and they're gonna match every single outfit and be my go-to sunglasses now. So love them. Like I said, I also stopped at Sephora. I can't really show you anything that I got because it's all gifts except for one thing I bought for myself. So I saw they had a new, I think, flavor of the Laneige lip mask. It's like mint chocolate chip flavor. I love anything minty on my lips. I just think it's so like refreshing. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, that's a great flavor. It's currently like 4:30. I'm going to my parents' house for dinner tonight. Probably gonna head over there soon. Hi guys, it's the next morning now. I am just gonna continue the vlog into today, but I have 2 videos that I need to edit right now, so that's probably what I'm gonna be doing most of the morning. So, going to sit on my couch and get started. Are You the One is now on Netflix and I've been watching it nonstop. I used to be obsessed with this show, especially in like the early seasons. So I'm watching season 2 right now. Great, just like mindless TV show to have on while I'm editing. Kitty, don't eat my pita chips. I just went downstairs and picked up some packages and I wanted to share my most recent purchase with you guys. So I bought myself a pair of Ugg boots, which I haven't worn Uggs since like middle school. And if you would ask me like a year ago if I would ever wear Uggs that weren't like slippers ever again, I would probably tell you no. But 2020 is just full of surprises and it's taught me that the things I really value the most are just things that keep me comfy and cozy. So I decided to invest in a pair of Uggs for myself. I'm actually really excited. Here they are. They're the Ugg Classic Mini 2, I think is the exact name, in like the chestnut color. I'm very happy with these. I feel like they'll actually be super practical, especially now that I have a dog. Like waking up early in the morning when it's super freezing cold outside and I need to take Lennon out, I feel like these are just good to slip on and they're like so warm and comfy. You'll be seeing me wearing these a ton, I'm sure. I'm not planning on wearing them as like a fashion statement by any means, but I feel like they're just good to like walk Lennon or run errands or whatever. Love them, very exciting. That is all. Just put on some makeup and a cute little outfit because my apartment complex is having a little jazz night event tonight. So there's gonna be music and cocktails. I'm gonna go downstairs and check it out. My friend is actually helping to like run it, so I wanna support and go say hi. I'm just wearing this little cardigan crop top set that you guys saw in a Misguided haul recently, with these A Goldie jeans that you saw in an Aritzia haul recently. That's the fit. I'm gonna grab my mask and head downstairs.